Looking for a powerful, flexible, and easy-to-use online survey tool? Choose Voxco Online, the solution used both by survey institutes and by research and customer experience departments in businesses around the world. Voxco Online is an all-in-one survey software that allows you to create and distribute your surveys and analyze and share your results. Voxco Online offers you the most advanced survey design capabilities. Create your surveys quickly and easily using our drag-and-drop interface. Use our survey library, copy items from previous surveys, or import questions from a simple Word file. A wide range of question types are available to build surveys of any type and any level of complexity. Use and deploy in a few clicks our free and 100% customizable look and feel templates to apply an attractive, responsive graphic design that perfectly matches your brand image. Even the most complex questionnaires will no longer be a headache with Voxco Online. Define the flow of questions and answer choices with our powerful filtering and randomization options. Our advanced features will help you set up conditional branching, mathematical calculations, consistency tests, or add email triggers in your surveys. Use our test and preview tool to check the accuracy of your survey or its responsiveness with our mobile phone emulator. Need to conduct a multilingual study? With Voxco Online, you can easily integrate your translations online, as well as benefit from our automatic translation module. Voxco Online maximizes your online survey reach thanks to its omnichannel distribution. Invite respondents through email, SMS, social media, web pop-ups, or our integrated panel tools. Track participation and fine-tune your sample through quotas. To make sense of your collected data, Voxco Online provides you with a variety of analytical features. Monitor results and dropouts in real time. Discover emerging trends in your research with automated reports. And measure respondents' feelings with our text analysis tool. With Voxco Online, you will have full control over your individual data. You can view it online, export it in multiple formats, and anonymize it in compliance with the GDPR and other regulations. Finally, you can finally manage access to your data and surveys through a multi-user account with customizable permissions. Continue the adventure with our Voxco Analytics tool and uncover useful insights by building pivot tables and charts, interactive dashboards, and share your findings securely. Schedule a free demo today and start using Voxco Online.